building, but we need that.
We need the objective stuff back at our location
before we can, and then we've got to bring the stretcher here to get the mannequin. So we're going to go, which is apparently is in there, in that big building where Demp's fucking threw the grenade at me. Let's go. Is it in that building?
He's a marshal.
Yeah, I know, but there you go. Let's go. Right, banded.
Red.
Red.
Oh, Ashley.
Oh, it's Ash. Other way.
We're going the other way? Yeah, good.
We need to get back in that. You've just got tagged.
Yeah, just before I came here. I think it's the guy from way down through the grass.
Oh. Yeah. Right, we need to go back to that building.
I barely see
Oh, fucking hell, hit.
Sorry.
Fucking Jesus.
Sorry about the bit of him a few minutes.
He's alright.
Yeah, it's good, mate.
Straight on your left.
It might have been a ricochet for somebody grazed my leg and I might have got caught.
Sweating like fuck. Dempsey's there, look. Dempsey's just here. Alright.
Two of them that just got fucking filming. I don't know if mine was a ricochet or Fury for me, like, but I don't think there's any friendlies in here, by the way.
I don't know if you can use that building though. Is this one of the ones that haven't been done though? Yep. Other end. Can hear him. They're literally other end of that corridor. Dempson, Ali are in there, but you can't see. You can hear them talking.
Down the far end. Well, guys, have a look. I'm just going to open it. That's it's all dark.
Is that band-aid flashing?
That's like him. The shooting us. One man.
Friendly, yeah?
No. He's blinding you as well. Can't get down the corridor.
It's too shallow. We need to go right. We need to take the fucking.
Going back round. Bandit. Bandit. See. Yai. I'm at the doorway. I'm in. Bandit. Demps. There's a kid stood in doorway, but I don't know what he's doing. I'm behind you, Demps. Eh? Are you hit, Demps?
Can we push anywhere else?
If you...
Yeah. Take it from the right. We can't
There's a staircase down there.
Yeah, hit! Yeah. Dead man coming out, dead man! Sorry, mate, no worries.
Straight down that end, mate. Sure, my gun keeps stopping. Yeah. Bring it this way. Demps.
Andy.
Friendly's yeah, yeah? Oh, fucking hands are killing. But,